Welcome to the PROMOVET case study video. This short instructional video will show you how to use Instagram to encourage your learners to improve their reading and comprehension skills. Instagram, like Pinterest, is a visual social media platform and is very popular among teenagers and young adults. With the use of Instagram's filters, users are encouraged to create stunning visuals and photographs which help to document their lives, their travels and their stories. For didactic purposes, Instagram can be used to document learners' project work. For art projects, this includes sharing images to inspire projects or using Instagram for showcasing the final product. Another use of Instagram is to record activities from field trips and school tours and to share these on a private group with learners' parents and guardians. In this short video, we will show you how Instagram can be used to encourage learners to read more and develop their comprehension skills when reading. To use this activity, you will need to create an Instagram account for your class and give all your learners the login details for the account. When creating this account, in your settings, ensure that the account is set to private so that the images posted are only visible to learners in your class. To begin this activity, ask all learners to post a photograph of their favorite book. The idea of this activity is to encourage learners to read different types of books and to engage with books that are of interest to them. When all learners have posted a photograph of a book, instruct all learners to select one book that was posted by one of their peers and to read the chosen book. If learners do not have access to this book and it is not available in their local library, they can arrange to share and swap books with the learner who posted it as their favorite book. To encourage learners to fully engage with the characters in the book, using the Instagram account for 1 week, ask all learners to complete a short task. Imagine you are the main character in the book you are reading. Post images of what the character's Instagram would look like. Try and post an image every day for a full week. This activity will encourage learners to fully engage with the book they are reading and to think of things such as themes, motifs, characterization in the book that they are reading. Learners will be better able to discuss these aspects of the book they are reading after this Instagram assignment. By sharing their favorite books and stories with their teachers and their peers, this activity also makes the learning experience more engaging for the learners. By taking on a persona of the main character and posting images on Instagram, the teacher can also gain an insight into the learner's comprehension of the story by seeing if learners are posting appropriate images for the book they are reading. You now know how to use Instagram to encourage learners to develop their reading skills and to improve their comprehension of literary texts. For more ideas on how these online tools can be used in your teaching practice, remember to log on to the PROMOVET platform and check out our compendium of online tools.